Hello guys, welcome back. In today's crypto technical analysis, today we'll do a multiple time frame analysis, fresh analysis for BTC and for Ethereum, and we're going to have a look at some scalping setups for the coming hours. So starting from a weekly time frame, as usual, we had a weekly close and there's not much going on. Weekly time frame stuck literally between 32 and the next level on the higher time frame is going to be 23,500 all the way up to $24,000 are going to be extremely important. So as you can see, the weekly time frame got stuck between in these levels, and you have to be aware of these levels. Clearing this level, the next target level is going to be 32, followed by 34, all the way up to $36,000. And these levels are given in advance once we saw the 8th of November weekly dump, where we had an FTX problem. As I said in the couple of weeks that I said, as long as we're going to stay above $17.5 and $18,000, highly likely that the first target level is going to be $30,000, followed by all the way up to $36,000. So based on a higher time frame, we saw a massive pump in the market, 83% plus pump in the market. With the current price action, we're up by over 60% pump in the market. Moving on with the daily analysis. When we're going to discuss the daily analysis, as I said, the levels are much more clear on the daily analysis, as I said, 18,000 and 18,500. However, based on a daily time frame, 19,200, 19,500, either clean breakout or with a retest that we had a perfect breakout. And then since we lost $60,000 and $52,000, we had the first time after the bear market a bullish setup based on a daily time frame. We had a pump all the way up to $25,300, $200. Done based on a mid time frame and a lower time frame V-shaped recovery, and we saw $31,200. So at the moment we're a bit stuck and daily time frame back into the consolidation, and you have to be careful at these levels. The daily time frame levels are very important. As long as we're going to stay $25,000, $25,200 based on a daily time frame, then we're safe. Otherwise, you have to be aware of the next levels. Losing $25,200 and $25,000, the next level is going to be $24,000. We do a further analysis. However, bullish scenario, which is slightly early for us to talk about the bullish scenario at this stage on a higher time frame, without breaking and claiming $28,600 and $700, which is at this level, it is going to be this level. As you can see, it is going to be early for us to talk about the bullish scenario based on a daily time frame. Claiming this level, the first target, as I said, 31,000, followed by 32, all the way up to $34,000 going to be on the table. However, as I said, 25,200 is extremely important. Losing this level, the next level that you have to keep an eye on is going to be $24,000. And as soon as we had a trend change base from $19,200 and $500, we saw massive pump in the market, 60%, and with the current price action, nearly 40% pump in the market. Before we do a further analysis, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where you're going to learn how to become profitable and professional trader in the market. And it only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with the scalping analysis. This is the setup that I shared on the 18th of May, and I was expecting either with a clean breakout or the retest. On the lower time frame, you can see that retested it and we reached to the target level. You can see a clear picture, which I posted via Twitter on this breakout with a retest on the 3-minute time frame. We had a perfect 3.5-hour trade within this setup. So the next one, on the 19th, we had a 3 scenario, and I said highly likely in the first place that I'm expecting this SFP scenario to play out. On the 5-minute time frame, you had an SFP, plus it gave a perfect entry, it followed the plan, and we came to the exact target level, which I mentioned. That was an arrow target, as you can see, perfectly reached the target level, and we started pumping. And then further consolidation took place around here. So that was another 4-hour trade. However, the next trade, we got stopped out in this trade setup. We had a perfect retest, but it didn't hold, and we had a minor loss, which was a 0.4-hour loss. On the 15-minute time frame, I'm still following. However, as I said, I'm not paying too much attention after this SFP played out, and I'm only keeping an eye on either to this breakout or to this breakdown. And today morning, as you can see, the support level held perfectly, and we saw a pump, and we got another rejection from momentum and volatility resistance. So we're literally in the last 72 hours since the 19th of May, we're bouncing in between support and resistance levels. So as I said, I'm expecting either one way to play out, claim this 0.618 plus the resistance based on a momentum and volatility all the way up to pump in this region, or break down, that's going to give us $26,000. So from the scalping in the last 72 hours, we had 3.5R and another trade, this was 4R, and we had minus 0.4R trade. So altogether, we had a literally minor loss in here, but overall, we are 7R in profit altogether in the last 3 trades. Let's move on with an ETH analysis, and if you're interested in swing or scalping setups, you can get in touch with me via Telegram. So based on a 4-hour time frame, target number 1, target number 2, as well as the target number 3 we met, and that was a public setup. Rejection from here, unexpected SFP. Also, we didn't have a trend change based on a 4-hour time frame. As I said, we'll get another retest, and on target number 1, followed by target number 2, which is $1,700, all the way up to this level, $1,650. That will be a target number 2. So we saw a massive dump in the market, nearly 10% dump in the market. And if you're a leverage trader, you did the math with a 5 and 10 times. As I said, we reached to target number 1. The target number 2 is going to be $1,700, all the way up to $1,650 are going to be target number 3. So there is not much change on the Ethereum. BTC on the multiple time frame analysis, that was the first rejection. As I said, when I made it 2nd of May video, highly likely that I'm expecting this type of price action. That's going to be the second rejection from 0.618, the golden pocket. Exactly as expected. That was a target number 1, 27,000, followed by 26,000. All the way I'm expecting $25,100 and $200. Losing this level, as I said, the next target level is going to be $24,000. So far, we saw 12% and 13% dump in the market. As I said, if you're a leverage trader, you did the math with a 5 and 10 times. Without breaking and claiming above under 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour time frame, $27,850, it's going to be early for us to talk about the bullish trend change based on the lower as well as the mid time frame. However, at the moment, 4 hour is still heavily under the bear's control, and there is another system that we're following, the smart money. If you're following me for some time, as you can see, all the bodies closed below the smart money system. And then, as you can see, first rejection, second rejection, third one, and yesterday there was a 4th rejection. So at the moment, again, we're stuck below the red line. As I said, it's very early for us to talk about the bullish scenario. Without breaking $28,000, it's going to be early for me to talk about the bullish scenario. So there is a confluence also. You can see it, 0.618, the golden pocket. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.